You've put in the work, but without a watermark, your document is basically an open invitation for someone to hit copy-paste. Protecting your intellectual property is a must, and today I'm showing you how to do it in seconds using WPS Writer. If you don't have it yet, check the link in the description to download WPS Office Pro for free. Once you've opened your document, head straight to the top ribbon and click the Edit tab. You'll see the watermark icon waiting for you. Click it to see a list of instant presets like Confidential or Do Not Copy. The step-by-step. While presets are fine, we're here for total copyright control. Click on Insert Watermark at the bottom of that menu to open the customization suite. If you want your name or brand across the page, select Text Watermark. Type in your copyright info, like your name and the year. And don't be afraid to play with the fonts. I recommend keeping the transparency high so your text remains readable. If you have a professional logo, just toggle over to Picture Watermark, upload your file, and hit Apply. Just like that, your work is branded and protected from being passed off as someone else's. It's that simple to take ownership of your content. If this video helped you secure your documents, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more productivity hacks that actually save you time. Don't forget to download the latest version of WPS Office Pro for free using the link below to get all these features and more. Go protect your work, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.